Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, I wholeheartedly welcome you to Eat to Live Strong. Today is Sunday, January 23rd, 2022, and this is day 21 of Multiple Sclerosis, My Daily Diary. Let's see how I'm going to start this. Let's start off by telling you that it is 6:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I went to bed last night I came up to bed at 2:45? 2:05. 2:05 this morning, Eastern Standard Time. 2:05 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That was after I fed the bird, gave her water, turned her music on, made sure it was warm in her room, and then I came up to bed. And then I finally, last check, I looked at the clock. I think it was 3:25 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then I drifted off to sleep watching, what was I watching? Judge Judy. So I drifted off to sleep. Yesterday, let's see, I followed the food plan, and I also, my exercise was going in and out of looking at homes because we had customers that was looking to purchase homes. So we went and looked at some homes. So I got a lot of steps in for that. I did pretty good yesterday. I did have pain, of course, pain last night. I am going to I'm going to just stop talking about the pain. Pain is pain, and I fight through it. But if I keep it from coming up in my topics, maybe maybe it'll disappear to the point that I'll be good. If it happens, which it always pain. But I'm not going to tell you guys about the pain because you might get bored with the channel saying she's always talking about pain. But the whole idea of this channel is to give you my symptoms and just give you knowledge, a book of wealth regarding a book of knowledge regarding multiple sclerosis, which leads me to telling you that I forgot to say this, that the videos are uncut raw footage. I do not edit the videos. So it is what it is. You get to see from the heart how my day-to-day life is living with MS. So I may forget words. I may forget to say something, but I'm not going to edit and come back and add it in there because what good is that? Because you don't see the real me living with multiple sclerosis. So with that being said, just all I can say is charge it to my head and not my heart because I do forget to say things. So back to the topic. As I said, the day was good yesterday, and today is a much better day because guess what? I woke up, and if you're watching this, it's a better day for you too. I did follow the food plan again, and then today I'm up. I've already showered, and I am, what time is it? What did I say? 6:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's 6:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I have gone down, opened the blinds for the bird, changed her music to talking. So weird. I love my bird. But now she's listening to somebody talk. That helps her to talk too. They say that children's talking helps her to talk more. So I have her looking at Nickelodeon, I think it's on. But anyway, I've had breakfast. It's pinned up there. I had the most delicious meal last night. It's pinned up there. Let's see what else I am doing today. I'm headed to church. I've done all of my regimen. I've taken my medicine. I've taken my vitamins. I have used my oil for my hair. You see this herbs underneath there. And guys, I'm sorry I forgot to put it in the description box yesterday. I will put it in there today. Yep, I have my brace and I have to put that on. So anyway, let's get started because I said that on a few videos ago that I would talk to you about my earlier symptoms, which because I for a fact know that I've had multiple sclerosis longer than I've been diagnosed. So I'm going to start off telling you some of the symptoms. And the earliest symptom that I can recall was when I was 3 to 4 years old. It's been over 50 years of me telling you this. Of course, back then they didn't diagnose children with MS. I don't even think MS was a thing back then, but I wouldn't know because I was an infant, so I don't know. All I know is that as an adult, when I was diagnosed, they said that they did not diagnose younger kids because they were still growing. But I think the youngest child right now with MS, God bless them, I believe is 8 years old. Sad. It sucks. MS sucks. And we call it the monster. And that's because M, capital M, and ON, capital STER. Monster. We call it the monster. And for an 8-year-old to go through this, I pray for a cure. So my earliest symptoms again was back when I was 3 or 4 years old, and again, for me to remember it, it had to be pretty bad, because either from reading the statistics says that memory, if it's really good, you're going to remember it. If it's really bad, you're going to remember it, but in between, you're not going to hardly remember it. And the one thing that I dealt with was headaches, bad headaches, migraine headaches. And it would be to where I would cry myself to sleep. And my grandparents, my grandmother, my mother, my auntie, my grandmother and my auntie are now gone on to heaven. Rest in peace. My auntie used to rub my head and sing to me. I can remember that. And she used to sing Loving You by Minnie Riperton. My grandmother used to pray over me. She would put the holy oil on my head. She would shout and she would ask the Lord to take it from me and give it to her. My mother would coddle me and just lay down, close your eyes, be still. So guys, I'm telling you this because if you're having symptoms, not only should you write them down. Smartphones are the bum diggity because it gives you all kind of trackers and things like that, so you can put them down and you can tell your doctor. But if you're getting symptoms, any of the symptoms I tell you about, I prefer that you go ahead and write it down. And if it happens on a regular, meaning like every week, every day, every hour, every minute, tell it to your doctor. Call your medical professional and let them know, because early detection is key. And a lot of things we can block it before it gets too big. So if you're having these symptoms, please call your doctor. So back to me, mine were headaches. And I had migraine headaches 3 or 4 years old. If you can remember that, that's pretty dang bad, right? So I had migraine headaches as a child. They never diagnosed me with it until I was an adult, because as kids, the doctor would say something, and they ought to shame on those doctors. You know, babies will have a headache and they get all over dramatic, but mine was not like that, because I would have the headaches and then I would get nauseous and throw up. That's a migraine, but it's also a symptom of multiple sclerosis, the headaches. And I had lesions when they did my diagnosis. I had lesions on the brain and my spine, and a lot of them were active. Some of them were old, but it tells you years and years. So they have a testing that they can tell you how long you've had those lesions and how active and how long they've been active and whatnot. I have not gone for the testing on that, but I do know headaches is a MS symptom. So if you're having headaches, don't run to the doctor and say, or don't run to the store and say, or go say that you have MS, because I'm not telling you to say that. Number one, go to your doctor if you get them and you write them down. So these symptoms that I'm going to give you guys is step by step how it happened to me. You're not me. We're all different. So make sure you go and get the advice from your doctors. So today I am going to finish packing because we are moving. We're selling the house, so I've got to get this thing packed up. It is over 30 years worth of crap in this house. I got to get out of here. So I'm going to finish packing. I didn't tell you, I've done with all my regimens. After I finish recording, I am going to go to church. It's virtual, so I have to go to my service, virtual services. And that's basically it for today. Follow the meal plan, and it's cold outside, so I'm not hardly going to go outside and walk. I think it was 27 degrees this morning, 27, and it's in the 20s. I think it's supposed to get up to like 45 today. If it gets up to 45 or 50, I might go for a walk, but don't hold me to that. So guys, I'm not going to hold you too long. I want to thank you so very much for joining me today. Please take heed to your health. Love yourself to health. Love yourself to health. Take care of yourself. I will see you tomorrow for day 22 of my daily diary. And please like, comment, and subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you can be notified of all my videos when they're uploaded. And I want to thank you again. Please leave me a comment. Thank you so much for joining me today. And let me see if I can get this right. This is my statement. This is my statement that I say on all my videos. And lately I have been forgetting it to say the wrong way. So I love you long time, and I'll see you next time. Love you long time. See you next time. Bye now. I have MS, but MS don't have me. I walk the walk, and I am blessed. I walk the walk, and I am blessed. Have a blessed day. You guys take care. Bye.